Regardless of the type of pack, all adjustable Mystery Ranch packs have a telescoping yoke that can be adjusted to your specific torso length. Properly fitting your backpack is critical. A proper fit allows the pack's frame to effectively transfer the majority of the weight to your hips. A proper fit will maximize the load-carrying capabilities of your pack. Your Mystery Ranch backpack has adjustable harnessing. You are able to move the yoke up and down depending on your torso length. It is important to put the belt and the lumbar pad, the back of the belt, where it is comfortable for you. Ideally, the lumbar pad should sit in the small of your back, and the waist belt wrap over your hip bones. When the pack is properly fit, the pack should mirror the S-curve of your back, and you should place the center of the waist belt pad over your hip bones. A good fit starts with getting the right backpack harnessing size. For this, you'll need two numbers: the size of your waist, measured from 2 inches below the belly button, and the length of your torso, which can be measured with a tailor's tape or a string. From the bony bump at the base of your neck, the C7, to roughly at the height if your belly button was on your back, the spot on your spine just above the top of your hip bones. With these two numbers, you can easily refer to our sizing charts and find the right size pack for you. Once you have your pack, you will need to go through the following steps to achieve the perfect fit. You can fit your Mystery Ranch pack yourself or find a buddy to help. To start, loosen the straps on the shoulder pads and waist belt. Put the pack on and find that comfortable spot for the waist belt and lumbar to sit. Ideally, the top of your hip bone should be in the middle of the foam pad of your waist belt, and the lumbar pad should sit in the small of your back. Tighten your shoulder straps by pulling down the back until it's comfortable, but be sure not to over-tighten. Next, secure your chest strap via the buckle and tighten just enough to pull the shoulder pads out of your armpit area. Then reach over both shoulders with your hands and grab your load lifters and gently pull taut. After you have the pack comfortably adjusted, if you are doing this on your own, stand sideways to a mirror and reach over your shoulder. Locate the seam where the shoulder pad meets the back of the yoke. That joint should be flush with the top of your scapula. Determine the distance it would take to align that joint to the top of your shoulder blade. Loosen all straps and take the pack off and continue with the instructions. If it is aligned, there is no need to make any further adjustments. Your pack is properly fit. If it is not aligned, you will need to adjust the yoke up or down to align with the top of the shoulder blade. Remove the adjusters from the harnessing. To remove, open the Velcro flap on the back of the yoke by pulling the loop. Remove the plastic yoke adjuster and push it the whole way down between the pack bag and the yoke to break the Velcro seal entirely. Adjust the yoke up or down the distance needed to align that joint with the top of your shoulder blade. Once adjusted to the appropriate height, pull the adjuster out and pull it back where you got it from. It is a critical piece of the framing. Pull the pack back on. Buckle your waist belt and chest strap and see if that joint is aligned with the top of your shoulder blade. If not, repeat the process for adjusting the height of the yoke until it is properly aligned. Your pack is now properly fit. But remember, once you're in the field and your pack is bearing a load, you may need to make micro adjustments for maximum comfort and performance.
Stranded outside or in your car during extreme cold, without a shelter or way to stop your core body temperature from dropping, you'll quickly become hypothermic, and you're facing a life or death survival situation, one that causes more deaths each year than every survival situation combined. Go Time Gear's Life Bivy emergency sleeping bag is designed to serve as your emergency blanket, survival shelter, and survival sleeping bag all in one. Plus, our patent-pending Paracinch technology drawstring combines 9-strand, 550-pound nylon core paracord. Plus, you have a multi-purpose utility cord you can use to repair gear or get a fire going, and an emergency whistle that's powerful enough to cut through trees and strong winds to notify rescuers up to 1 mile away. The Life Bivy is also waterproof and ultra durable. It's made of extra thick polyethylene material with heat-sealed seams to protect you from harsh weather like snow, rain, and wind. The interior of the Life Bivy is what protects you from hypothermia by reflecting up to 90% of your body temperature and sealing it in. So even though it's compact enough to fit in the palm of your hand and weighs just 4.1 ounces, The Life Bivy is durable enough to keep you alive in dangerous survival scenarios and for repeated use. So once you're done using it, simply fold it, roll it up, and stuff it back into the waterproof nylon stuff sack. Whether you're looking to add to your bug out bag, planning for a winter emergency like being stranded in your car during a harsh storm, or need a lightweight emergency bivy to carry in your hiking or hunting pack, the Life Bivy is engineered to stand up to the most intense survival situations and is the emergency sleeping bag for you.
When you want taste and hassle-free hydration in the backcountry, Platypus's line of award-winning GravityWorks filters provides portable and dependable filtration on any adventure. To get clean water, just fill the high-capacity reservoir, hang it, and let gravity do the filtering. No pump required. Designed and labeled for ease of use, the GravityWorks has several thoughtfully designed features for carrying or dispensing water, and a simple process of air purging and back flushing that can easily be done in the field. The filter delivers up to 1 3/4 liters of potable water per minute, ready for drinking, cooking, and cleaning. Our unique 2-reservoir system doubles your water capacity, adding versatility and efficiency to your filtration needs. The hundreds of tiny hollow fibers inside the microfilter efficiently remove bacteria and protozoa per the US EPA NSF Protocol P231 throughout its lifetime. As gravity pushes water through these fibers, pathogens are trapped, unable to pass through the tiny pores of the fibers. Pores so small, they're invisible to the naked eye. This offers faster filtering than other designs and offers reliable performance in eliminating harmful protozoa such as E. coli and Giardia. The performance of the GravityWorks has been proven time and time again, not just in the backcountry, but also in our on-site water lab. Our team of scientists in Seattle test and validate the GravityWorks to ensure you're getting the highest quality hydration available. For your trips to the backcountry, the ultra-compact system packs down smaller than most 1-liter water bottles, saving space and weight in your pack. GravityWorks is available in multiple sizes with optional accessories so you can choose the right fit for your adventure and group size. Spend less time filtering water and more time enjoying the outdoors. The Platypus GravityWorks water filter.
Hi, I'm Danielle, and I'm going to show you what's inside the 4 Patriots 4-week survival food kit. Our 4-week survival food kit is designed to last one person a whole month. We have Frank's Favorite Alfredo. This is a fettuccine noodle with a rich cream sauce. Dinner Bell Broccoli Bake. This is broccoli and cheese all put together in a pre-made casserole. Granby Sweet Oatmeal. This pre-sweetened oatmeal is perfect for breakfast. America's Finest Mac and Cheese. This is your classic macaroni and cheese that every kid loves. Buttermilk Pancake Mix. Perfect sweet buttermilk pancakes, easy to make. Creamy rice and vegetable dinner. This customer favorite is rice in a creamy sauce with real bits of vegetable. Fireside stew. This is a hearty stew that's chicken flavored and stick to your ribs thick. Sweetly coated banana chips. These are snackable right out of the package. Old-fashioned vanilla pudding. This classic is perfect for dessert. Long grain white rice. White rice is a classic across the globe for good reason. Heartland's Finest Powdered Milk. Our customers tell us they love the taste of our milk. Each of these meals is designed to last up to 25 years. That's 196 total servings with 38,000 total calories. All made right here in the USA and packaged in this water-resistant tote. The key to the 25-year shelf life is this Mylar packaging. We add an oxygen absorber just to be safe to make sure your food will last and be there when you need it. I hope you give our 4 Patriots 4-week survival food kit a try.
If you like to backpack, hike, climb, or run rivers, you need the Ultralight and Watertight 0.7. In a little over 6 ounces, this kit is designed for adventures where every ounce counts and exposure to the elements will be an issue. Inside the 0.7, everything is protected in a tough, Dryflex waterproof bag. Everything is stored inside of an ultralight sil nylon bag that is seam sealed to provide layers of protection. Rain, snow, water, sandstorms, nothing will get inside these bags. Inside, you will find quality supplies you have come to expect for adventure medical kits, including butterfly wound closure strips to close wound edges, sterile dressings, bandages, antibiotic equipment, and antiseptic towelettes to dress wounds and help prevent infection. Pre-cut and shaved moleskin blister dressings make easy work of treating blisters and hot spots. No scissors required. Inside are medications for muscle inflammation, pain, and allergic reactions. Our exclusive precision pointed splinter prickers will help you remove the finest of slivers and ticks. And duct tape for everything else. The Ultralight Watertight 0.7 is designed for 1 to 2 people for up to 4 days. It will help you treat the minor or major illnesses and injuries, and to get you back on your feet, in your kayak, or on your bike as quickly as possible. Tested, abused, and approved by adventure racers all over the world. The Ultralight Watertight series will be up to any adventure you throw at it.
Be prepared for an emergency. If you are stuck in an emergency situation, such as a hurricane, storm, snow, and/or earthquake, this radio can actually save your life. It will alert you in advance and allow you to use the radio and the flashlight. Or if there's a power outage, you will be able to charge any other phone as it is compatible with cell phones. No matter in what kind of an emergency you are stuck in, this Kaito radio will always have your back. Equipped with different power options such as solar, crank, battery, and USB AC power, this Kaito radio has got you covered regardless if you require a charger while on traveling, a flashlight in the dark woods, or a reading lamp while you lay in the forest. Your weather guide as well, the Kaito radio comes along with NOAA Weather and Alert. You need it.